Number 71, we're using the quadratic formula to solve. And we want to round to 4 decimal places. So number 71 is 12 sine squared of x minus 13x plus 3 equals 0. Well, it's not, well, actually this is factorable, but let's go ahead and use a quadratic formula like it asks. So a equals 12, b equals negative 13, and c equals a positive 3. So we plug it in. Remember that it's sine of x equals 13 plus or minus the square root of 13 squared minus 4 times 12 times 3 all over 2 times 12. So sine of x equals 13 plus or minus, this is 169 minus 12 times 12, 144, which ends up being square root of 25 over 24. So this is sine of x equals 13 plus or minus 5 over 24. So that is sine of x equals 18 over 24, and sine of x equals 8 over 24. So we see that sine of x equals 3/4, and sine of x equals 1/3. That is within our range of sine. So let's go ahead and graph our sine here. So this is our y equals 3/4. So let me graph that one first, 3/4. So maybe that's about right here. And then our other one is 1/3. So let's say it's about here. So we want to know, where does it hit the sine graph? So it's going to hit there, and then it's also going to hit right here. So we actually are going to have 4 points. So what we can do is we can do arc sine. So x equals arc sine of 3/4, and then x equals arc sine of 1/3. So arc sine of 3/4, you will get 0.8481, and arc sine of 1/3, you will get 0.3398. Okay, 0.3398. So that is that point right here, 0.3398. And then we have our 0.8481. That is that point there. So what we want to do is we want to find this other point here. And so one way to think about that is, remember that a sine graph is symmetrical, right, between the 0 and pi. And so this first point is right x by the 0.8481. So in order to find this other point, this is our pi, we're going to go subtract the 0.8481 from pi to get this point. So to get that point, this is pi minus 0.8481, and that'll give me 2.2935. So it gives me another point. The same is true for this point here, right? So this point right here is 0.3398. That's our x value. So we have to subtract that 0.3398 from the pi because it's to the left of the pi. It's symmetrical. So this is going to be pi minus 0.3398, which gives me 2.8018. And so those are my solutions. So it's 0.8481, 0.3398, 2.2935, and 2.8018.